We are at the Bopath waterfalls near Ratnapura, just on the Avisavada road, about 2 hours from Colombo, 2 hours drive. And I don't think we can get to the very top though. It has been somewhat a tricky bit getting this far from right below there, from the forest. Now, I'm told that the water tide will rise later on in the day and it will cover all the rocks at some point this evening, and then it would go down again in the morning. So we'll have to try and find a quick way out of here when the water begins to rise. And if we don't, then of course the rest will be history, I suppose. But this is wonderful, absolutely beautiful. This is as close as we can get, but as you can see, there are some youngsters who are up there. I think they're heading to the top. I suppose I could have done the same if I was 20 years younger, perhaps some other time. But here we have Nalayani, Shrema, Shanti, Anakaran, and a couple of our young, virile stewards who escorted us all the way here. And I'm sure they'll be handsomely rewarded when we have finished with all this. Okay, that's it for now. You can replay this if you are so keen to do so. This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't think it's as exciting as the Niagara Falls or like some of the waterfalls in Switzerland, but this is where man can get closer to the water and really enjoy the flow. One cannot do this at Niagara or any other falls in Europe. There you go.